Have you ever been watching a football game and they're talking about passer ratings for the quarterback and you have no idea what's going on? You should have no idea what's going on there because they don't make any sense. Here's the math behind the quarterback rating. It's actually different in college and in the NFL, which doesn't make sense. I'm going to talk about the NFL one today. The maximum possible quarterback rating in the NFL is 158.3. What even? How arbitrary is that? Why is a maximum rating not like 200 or something round? Why 158.3? To get a perfect rating, you have to have at least 77.5% completion rate, at least 12.5 yards per attempt, a touchdown on at least 11.875% of your attempts, and no interceptions. 11.875% of your attempts? Where are these numbers coming from? Who knows? Who made this up? Who knows? Why do we use this measure? It means nothing. Obviously, it's a combination of completion percentage, yards per attempt, touchdowns per attempt, and interceptions per attempt. So here's where it's going to get even more arbitrary. Sorry, you're going to hate quarterback ratings by the end of this video. You take the completion percentage minus 30% times 5. Take the yards per attempt minus 3 times 0.25. You take the touchdowns per attempt times 20. And then you take 2.375 minus interceptions per attempt times 25. If you're thinking, none of this makes sense, I don't know where they got any of these numbers, you're doing good. So you take those 4 things, add them all together, divide them by 6, and multiply them by 100. That's how you get passer rating in the NFL. And it doesn't make any sense, and you should not pay attention to it to judge your quarterbacks. You should use your brain, and you should use completion rate, yards per attempt, touchdowns per attempt, interceptions. You should use all those things. But you should not multiply them by random numbers and subtract random things and divide them by 6. You should judge them for yourself and think about the mathematics that is happening. That is my 2 cents on passer ratings. They don't make any sense. I hate them. I wish that the NFL would come up with something better, because there is surely something better that would be more standardized seeming and not stupid.